everybody, it's Christina of CraftyPaws. I'm so excited to share with you guys my guest design team package from Scrapping for Less. This company puts together the cutest little kits, and they're such a great bargain for so much that you get in the kits. And this month's theme is Spring Critters, and the kit includes products from Pink Fresh, Sunny Studio, Bo Bunny, Gina K Designs, Jolie's Boutique, K and Company, Doris, and Pebbles. And this is how the kit comes in a pretty little white box. Great little crinkle filler. This will be great actually to reuse for an Easter basket or something. And let me just take all of that out, and I'll go through each of the collections that are available in this month's kit. So I'm also going to put a link in the description box below so you guys can check out what's available and what added little collections you can add to your kit if you'd like. So this is collection 1. It's called Spring Bees. Each collection also comes with an envelope, some beautiful papers. I think this is so pretty. And it's two-sided. Some really pretty yellow striped ribbon from American Crafts. Really cute stickers from Jolie's Boutiques. These are 3D stickers with little gems for the bumblebee heads. This Sunny Studio stamp set called Just Because. And I think these little bees are so stinking cute. And their sentiments are, we are meant to be, or just because. I love punny sentiments, so this is right up my alley. So that's collection 1, Spring Bees. Collection 2 is Spring Birds. And this kind of seems to have more of like a boho feel. The birds have a little more stylized look to them. Cute watering can, little flowers, stems, 2 pretty birds. It also comes with some little ephemera pieces by Pebbles. Live in the moment each day. Grateful heart, hello. Enjoy the slow life. Love always. It also comes with a little stickers, friend stickers by Sticko. Together we are stronger, you and me. I love these. More papers. These are by Gina K Designs. There's kind of like a slick feeling to these papers. And this is single-sided. And again, the envelope. It also comes, each collection comes with a sequin packet that's all coordinated with the papers in terms of color. Sorry, I somehow missed the sequin packet from the first collection. It's all pinks, yellows, and purples. So pretty. So that's collection 2. Collection 3 is called Spring Frogs. I think this is so stinking cute. It's got some flowers, some wood pieces. These are so fun because it adds dimension immediately, and you can color these up with pens or paints or like glitter. So cute. This sequin mix is really like shimmery and kind of translucent, really pretty. Coordinates, of course, with the flowers. The stamp set is a Scrapping for Less original. It's called Totally Terrific. It's got a super cute little frog, a little, I think that's like a dragonfly, lily pad. It says, "You're totally terrific," or "hopping by with a spring hello." So cute. Great coordinating papers. So pretty. And this is also double-sided. So this paper is so cute. It has a little wheelbarrow and says, "Hello, spring." So pretty. Again, these colors seem to be a little bit more muted than that first collection, but less kind of muted than the second collection. But you can mix and match anything you like, obviously. So that's collection 3. Collection 4, which I think is so cute. Look at these little duckies. This is called Spring Ducks. So this one comes with a whole bunch of little tags, which I think are so cute. Adorable little rain clouds and rainbow raindrops, which is another sticker set. Fun little sequin set that has different sizes sequins. I love that. And this stamp set is so stinking cute. It's another Scrapping for Less original. It says Just Ducky, and I just think this duck is so adorable. The sentiment says, have a ducky day. You fit the bill. And this little duck is so cute too, just looking so sweet, all dressed up in its little rain outfit. The pattern papers for this collection are spring patterns. These are plaids, it looks like. Great patterns. Also double-sided. So that's collection 4. And then the last collection, this is the banana split added part of the kit. It's got this great die. It's a little banner die that has a star cut out. So cute. It's got even the little places to loop the string through. So that'll be cute to create a little banner on a card. It also comes with multimedia matte. So this is a great adhesive and it dries clear. It's got this fun little washi tape and this pretty kind of Tiffany blue with gold little polka dots on it in a random pattern. So pretty. And then this stamp set that says, don't let life's puddles get you down. Thanks for sharing your pad. Stay beautiful, and so glad you're in my flock. So these sentiments actually coordinate great with all of the other stamp sets, right? This one could be with the frog. This one could be with the bumblebees. This one could be with the duckies. The one with the puddles also could be with the ducks. So, so cute and clever. And then last but not least, the kit also comes with really high quality cardstock in awesome colors that totally coordinate with the pattern papers. And along with that, some 110-pound, really heavy duty white cardstock as well. So this kit is chock full. I can't wait to dig in to do some crafting with all of this. And I hope you guys will check out Scrapping for Less. This Spring Critters theme for April is absolutely adorable. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful crafty day.